another garbage truck. They're doing recycling right now. Diamond is here! I'm finally back to see him! Oh. I'm sorry. Wow! I finally heard Diamond! It's been like 2 months since I saw him! I haven't seen him for the last 2 months, but now I'm finally back to see him. I want to move that trash can. It's nice. It not fell. It does not fell. Woo! Finally, I'm back to see him. Oh, sorry. I finally saw him today. Let's go. Today I'm on Christmas vacation. Oh, geez, sorry. I'm not sure it's not. Oh. Alright. Now that's better. Oh, there it goes. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. What just happened? Oh, jeez. Oh. Guys, I don't know what just happened. What just happened? Oh, jeez. What is going on right now? Oh, God. Sorry, guys. I don't know what's going on right now. Oh. Oh, there he goes. Oh. Oh, jeez. Oh, there he goes. There he goes. And I don't know what just happened. Oh, there he goes. Backing up now. Wow, I finally heard Dion today. Oh, Gene, sorry. Wow. And oh, there he goes. Wow! It's getting pretty windy right now. Oh. Oh. Oh, it's giving a recycling bin. Wow! Oh, Dion's coming to our house after this. Finally! I haven't seen him in a very long time. Alright. It's $33.96. Oh, jeez. Wow, the glass. Oh. Oh, it's our turn. Wow. Oh. Wow. Hi, Diamond! Good! Yeah. do for the New Year's?
Relax at home.
Man, it's been a very long time.
Yeah, no, it's been a while.
Yeah.
Last time I seen you was at the truck show.
Yeah. I haven't seen you for the last 2 months.
Happy New Year, guys.
Alright, I'll see you in 2026, but although I might be at school. Alright, have a nice one. See you in 2026. Wow, I finally heard Diane. Jeez. Oh, wow. Anyways, gotta put the trash cans away so we can save them for next time. Oh, sorry. Sorry, Daddy. Just recycle this away. And I also gotta put the garbage away, too. Jeez. Wow. Oh, my God. Now get it. It's very cold outside. Now I'm gonna run and do that. Make sure I do not fall to death. God, it's too cold. Save that for. Oh, gee. I will. I'm definitely. Alright, Dylan, I'll see you in 14 days. But although I might be at school. Wow. Okay. I'll run. Oh, it's too cold. Right now. Oh, sorry. Woo! Too cold. Oh my God. God. Man, we had a good year of 2025. Whew. My hand. I'm very cold right now. Sorry I did that. Gee. Alright, with all that being said, guys, that's it for today about looking at this recycling truck. And then they did recycling. If you guys enjoyed, be sure to like. Sorry. If you guys enjoyed, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope to see you all on January 1st when we do the New Year countdown day of 2026. Goodbye, guys.